Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to discover relaxation area options on the Corsica Ferries application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the menu icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then click on practical information at the top. Then tap on welcome aboard. Scroll down to the relaxation areas section and tap on the discover button. Here you can see the on deck information. Here you can see the options, and as you scroll down you can check out the meal menus and the cabin types as well. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.